Hey guys, welcome back. It's Brandy. Let's have some fun while we go over our must-have accessories. We're gonna start off with one of the most known accessories that we have available, the valance hangers. Our 3-inch valance hanger and our 7-inch valance hanger. You would go for the 7-inch valance hanger anytime you want to hang lights in between drapes. You would use the 3-inch if you don't have a lot of floor space in your event arena. I have so many clients that just keep these on hand. We all know you keep your duct tape in your bag and a few valance hangers. This is simply called our clamp. It goes on your 1.5-inch and 2-inch pipe. It allows for additional drape supports to go in at any height to create designs that weren't there previously. And it also has the reinforced rubberized inside so it doesn't damage your pipes and you can use it over and over. The often overlooked but essential accessory for you is the DH4. You'll know how different it is from the valance hanger as soon as you put it in your hand. It's pretty stable. Galvanized stainless steel with 90-degree angle parallel drape supports on all sides. It's meant for your 2-inch telescoping uprights, used for changing rooms for production companies, or even just velour and heavier drape at really high setups. So we've gone through all these accessories. Now you're probably thinking, how am I supposed to store all this stuff? We have a solution for that too. We've got our reinforced pipe bag and base bags with our rubberized handles, vinyl coating for support on the back end, and you've also got a zipper front for your pins. The pipe bag is made out of the exact same material in 6, 7, and 8 foot lengths, holding roughly 15 pipes per bag.